बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज के इस लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं ग्रामर से रिलेटेड, इंग्लिश ग्रामर से रिलेटेड इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ जो कि रिसेंट जो जॉब्स आई हैं एसएसटी की, उनके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। एफपीएससी एसएसटी की जॉब्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, बाकी वन पेपर के लिए भी इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो फर्स्ट वन इज़ द फॉरेस्ट वाज डार्क एंड ग्लोमी येट द चिल्ड्रन रैन इनटू इट फियरलेसली। तो ये जो सेंटेंस है ये दोनों इंडिपेंडेंट क्लासेस हैं, साथ में कंजंक्शन है, कोऑर्डिनेटिव कंजंक्शन, दैट इज़ कंपाउंड सेंटेंस। The campus stayed in the tent while the cold rain fell. While the cold rain fell जो है subordinate clause है, बाकी जो independent clause है, that's why this is complex sentence. Jane and Lois bought popcorn before the movie started. ये भी complex sentence है। आप में से जो लोग चैनल पर न्यू हैं, जिन्होंने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, काइंडली मेरे चैनल fpsc गाइड एंड इंग्लिश प्रिपरेशन को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक कीजिएगा और सबसे शेयर कीजिएगा। So next is Sami fought hard on his homework yet he didn't finish it. That is a compound sentence. The batsman ran for the second run when the fielder dropped the ball. That is complex sentence. His courage won him honor. That is a simple sentence. They always talk who never think. That is complex sentence. Who never think जो है वो subordinate clause है. Man proposes but God disposes. That is compound sentence. The town in which the merchant lives is very large. That is complex sentence. A guest is unwelcome when he stays too long. That is a complex sentence. I write an essay. That is a simple sentence. She said that she was happy. That is indirect sentence. Do you like bread? Do you like bread जो है ये एक interrogative sentence है. I don't want to go. That is a negative sentence. How he won many medals. That is simple sentence. I am happy and content. That is simple sentence. We could see the moon. That is a complex sentence. So next is I went because I was invited. That is a complex sentence. They rested when night came. That is complex. Rick prepared the food that they had ordered. That is also a complex sentence. On reaching the destination, he met his friend. ये जो है ये simple sentence है. He is too tall to walk straight. That is simple sentence. And unless you work hard, you will not succeed. That is a complex sentence. He is not only an orator but also a philosopher. That is a compound sentence. In spite of his cleverness, he is poor. That is simple sentence. Though he is rich, he is honest. That is a complex sentence. He saw, he came, he conquered. That is a compound sentence. And next is 28. After he retired, he bought the house. That is complex sentence because after he retired is a subordinate clause. Seeing the wolf, the boy ran away. That is simple sentence. When I go swimming, I have to keep my eyes dosed underwater. That is complex sentence. We can wait here until Rafiq calls us. That is complex sentence. Either the engine starts or we will remain here all night. That is compound sentence. My mother cooked dinner while I was doing my homework. That is complex sentence. I have brought my umbrella with me in case it rains. That is complex sentence. She runs every day, so she is very fit. That is a compound sentence. He got up, walked over to the window and jumped out. That is simple sentence. Next is 37. Do you want to go swimming tomorrow or would you prefer to play tennis? That is compound sentence. The students cleaned up after they finished the experiment. That is complex. Rahim plays the trumpet and his sister plays the saxophone. That is compound sentence. The boys did not go to the zoo because they went to the park. That is complex. He confessed his crime. That is a simple sentence. 42 MCQ is the ship will leave us as the mail arrives. That is complex sentence. The piper came and the children followed. That is compound sentence. I called him but he gave me no answer. That is also a compound sentence. He did his work because he is a responsible. That is complex sentence. 46 MCQ is they took every precaution yet they failed. That is compound. They rested when night came. That is complex. His silence proves his guilt. That is simple. 49 MCQ is he owed his success to his father. That is simple sentence. And 50 is he worked hard to pass the examination. That is simple. And listen carefully and take notes. That is compound sentence. Okay, I hope it's clear to all of you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.